Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best repair putty is probably one of the most versatile materials you can have in your toolbox. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or just starting with home repairs, this stuff is a game changer. From fixing cracks in walls to crafting custom objects, Repair Putty offers a simple yet effective solution for a wide range of projects. Let's dive in and explore why this is a must-have for anyone looking to tackle repairs or get creative. Number 5. Weld WaterWeld Epoxy Putty Stick, 2 ounces. This is a hand-mixable 2-part epoxy putty stick. It's designed to cure even underwater, making it perfect for various repairs. Use it for plumbing, fuel tanks, tubs, showers, drains, pools, spas, boats, and even potable water tanks. It's NSF certified, ensuring it's safe for contact with drinking water. After mixing, it sets in just 25 minutes and fully cures in an hour. The cured color is off-white. It boasts a lap shear strength of 1,300 psi and can handle continuous temperatures up to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. It's also chemical resistant to many fluids. It works on iron, stainless steel, copper, brass, aluminum, bronze, fiberglass, plastic, and PVC. You can easily do it yourself with this product. Whether the job is big or small, this product helps you repair and restore it right the first time. It delivers superior performance and results for the world's strongest bond. What we like. This putty is perfect for those unexpected plumbing leaks or repairs in wet environments. It's NSF certified, so you know it's safe for potable water. If you're dealing with a leaky pipe or need to fix something in your pool, this is the one to choose. What people say. The putty is easy to work with. It dries quickly and is sandyable. The color match was perfect. Number 4. Weld PlasticWeld Plastic Repair Epoxy Putty. This is a hand-mixable 2-part epoxy putty stick. It's designed to repair and rebuild various plastic compounds and surfaces. It's perfect for your DIY plastic repair needs. This product is ideal for ABS, PVC and CPVC pipes and plastics, auto bumpers, and more. It's a versatile solution for many of your plastic repair projects. PlasticWeld is certified by the NSF, making it safe for contact with potable water. You can trust it for your important repairs. After kneading the 2-part formula, it sets in 25 minutes and cures in 3 hours. The off-white color blends well after it sets. It has a lap shear strength of 600 psi. It can withstand temperatures up to 250 degrees Fahrenheit continuously and 300 degrees Fahrenheit intermittently. It doesn't shrink and can be molded, shaped, sanded, drilled, and cut. Use it on ABS, PVC and CPVC pipes and plastics, auto bumpers and trim, vinyl surfaces and siding, marine repairs and fiberglass parts, plastic water tanks, and plumbing. It bonds instantly. What we like. This product is specifically designed for plastic repairs, making it ideal for fixing auto bumpers, PVC pipes, and more. It bonds instantly and doesn't shrink, ensuring a durable and reliable fix. If you have a broken plastic item that needs a quick and permanent solution, this is the product for you. What people say. I was amazed at how strong and durable the bond turned out to be. Dried much harder and created a very tight, high-quality bond with the plastic globe of the litter robot. Allowed me to fill in the infill at the contact area to create more surface area for the bond. Number 3. Weld KwikWood Wood Repair Epoxy Putty Stick. This is Weld KwikWood, a hand-mixable 2-part epoxy putty stick. It's specially formulated to repair and rebuild wood, making it perfect for various DIY projects. KwikWood is designed for all your wood repair needs around the house. Simply mix it, apply it, and let it do its job. The 2-part epoxy putty is easy to use. It's a convenient solution for fixing damaged wood surfaces. Whether it's a small fix or a larger project, this product is designed to handle it. It's a must-have for any DIY enthusiast. With KwikWood, you can easily repair and rebuild wood. It's a reliable choice for all your wood repair needs. What we like. If you're working on a wood repair project, this is the perfect choice. It's designed for all wood household DIY repairs, making it easy to fix furniture, trim, and more. If you like working with wood and need a reliable solution for cracks and damage, this is the one. What people say. The putty is simple to work with. Cut off what you need, knead it until the color is uniform, and press it into place. Once cured, about an hour, it was rock solid and bonded perfectly to the wood. This product worked perfectly. It was easy to apply, and the repair turned out solid and stable. Number 2. XUDOAI 100G Epoxy Putty Stick for quick fixes. This epoxy putty stick is perfect for sealing leaks in pipes, drainage systems, and more. It's also great for repairing cracks in various materials. It's a versatile solution for quick fixes. This product can bond to metal, wood, glass, ceramics, and many hard plastics. It's a multi-purpose adhesive for a wide range of repair needs. You can use it on various projects around the house. Simply cut, knead until the color is uniform, and apply it to the damaged area. It's that easy. Just let it dry, and the repair is complete. With a mixing time of 3 to 5 minutes, it starts to harden quickly. It reaches full hardness within 24 hours, providing a permanent fix. It's designed for efficiency. The product works in temperatures between -50 degrees Celsius and 120 degrees Celsius. It's durable and reliable in various conditions. Store it in a dry, cool place for best results. What we like. This putty is a versatile option for a wide range of materials, including metal, wood, glass, and ceramics. It cures quickly, allowing for rapid repairs and fixes. If you have multiple repair projects around the house and need a quick solution, this is the one. What people say. Fixed a frame and filled in the piece that was missing too. Holds well. Bonded to it without shrinking or cracking. Painted it after drying and can't ever tell it was broken. I have used this product on ceramic, metal, plastic, and it works great. It is very durable and does not break easily. As long as you file sand the surface you are attaching it to, it will not come off. Also, you can mold it into anything. Number 1. Loctite Epoxy Multi-Purpose Repair Putty, 2 ounces. Introducing Loctite Epoxy Multi-Purpose Repair Putty. This hand-mixable adhesive is perfect for small emergency repairs. It even bonds to damp surfaces and can cure underwater. This putty uses a 2-part system with epoxy resin and hardener. This creates a hard, tough, permanent, and waterproof bond on many materials. Simply knead and apply the putty to rebuild and bind. After just 60 minutes, can be sanded, drilled, and painted. This putty does not shrink and is resistant to water and most common solvents. It also has high impact resistance and won't crack when drilled. It molds into different shapes and bonds for sealing pipes, fixing leaks, and repairing items. It bonds to metal, masonry, brick, wood, glass, ceramic, rubber, fiberglass, and more. What we like. This is a great all-purpose option for small emergency repairs. It bonds to damp surfaces and sets quickly, making it ideal for those unexpected leaks or quick fixes. If you are looking for a versatile and easy-to-use solution for various materials, you should consider this. What people say. The product is easy to use. It dries quickly. It is sandiable and paintable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.